Hello, my name is Baiyun, Director of Engineering at Tyto Robotics. Today, our team is running outdoor engine testing at Carp Airport, Ontario, and I'll have a chance to answer your questions about your test setup or any tips for engine testing.
What should we do when we receive a new engine?
Of course, it is extremely important to follow the instructions from the engine manufacturer. There are two key components. First of all is the oil and fuel ratio. Different engine can require different ratios. For example, the ZZ 210cc engine requires 1:35 oil fuel, and you may tune the ratio based on the fuel grade and real-time performance. Second one is the braking of the engine. You must take sufficient time running the engines at low speed. The FlightSense 60 has 3 sets of vibration dampers. Choose them accordingly to absorb the vibration during braking.
Any tips to improve the engine's performance?
The carburetor setting is key. You can usually find the low-speed needle and high-speed needle on the carburetor. Those two needles will adjust the air-fuel mixture. The first step is to fine-tune the low-speed needle during the braking process. Then, once you can reach higher speed, adjust the high-speed needle. The goal is to make sure that the air-fuel mixture is not too lean, not too rich. And then sometime, you may find to adjust quarter tune of the needle, and you will see the fuel consumption get significantly improved.
How big of an engine can I run with the FlightSense 60?
The FlightSense 60 is designed and validated to support up to 60 kg force and 30 Nm of torque. To say it more straightforward, if you are testing a dual or quad engine, and that's about 30 horsepower max. But if you are testing a mono-cylinder engine, due to the lateral forces, we can only support up to 5 horsepower.
What's the size of the engine that we are testing here today?
Today we are testing the DLE 117cc engine paired with a 32 by 10 inch bi-blade propeller. This engine is estimated to provide 17.5 horsepower. This afternoon we'll be testing the ZZ 210cc engine. It is with the starter generator. We'll be using this engine to evaluate the stand's performance when it receives an impact torque from the starter.
What type of tests can we run with the FlightSense 60?
Once your carburetor is properly set, you can perform endurance testing or use automatic control field feature to perform step test. If you have a wind tunnel to pair with the stand, you can definitely import recorded mission data to perform a flight replay, of course, with an incoming airspeed. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any more questions, you can leave us a comment or get in touch with our team. Thank you for watching.